Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to make Shahi tukra. Do give a try, this will taste so good. Now let us move on to the recipe. Take 2.5 cups of milk. Bring this to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and a quarter cup of sugar. Give this a nice mix. Let the sugar dissolve completely. Now take a tablespoon of corn flour, add some water and give a nice mix. You have to get a runny batter like this. Adjust the water accordingly. Coming back to the milk, add some soaked saffron and the corn flour mixture. Stir this continuously, the milk will get little thick. You have to get a creamy texture like this. To this add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Our milk for the Shahi tukra is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and a quarter cup of oil. We are going to fry the bread slices. You can take around 8 to 10. Let us fry them in the hot ghee oil mixture. Fry them till both sides turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown in color, you can take it out. The fried breads are ready. Now let us pour the prepared milk in a bowl. Soak all the fried breads in this. You can either serve them crispy like this or soak them completely and serve them soft. Add some chopped nuts and dry fruits. This will add even more taste to the recipe. Top this with few saffron. Do give a try, this will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.